Hey everyone, this is Alex, and in this video I'm going to be talking a little bit about Atria's plugin system, which is one of the main strengths I've integrated into Atria, allowing for individual users to customize and expand the capabilities of not only their application but also their models. So to begin with, I'm going to show how you have this plugins folder in your installations, and it should come with an example plugin as a Python file. And all you have to do is add your plugins into this plugin folder and they'll automatically be loaded on startup. So to begin with, I'm going to go over this example plugin template. You can see here that there are a few preset functions. You can feel free to expand this, but these are the functions that will be called throughout the program. You'll see that the root application is passed in. So for those of you who like to tinker, you can intercept the root application at any time, add windows, add processing capabilities, etc. You'll notice that there's this init, which is called on program startup. And that's what you see whenever you load the Atria application. So let me load it up and you'll see the init call being made. And then we'll go over the pre-processing, model query, model output, post-processing real quick. So I'll open up our model that we made in another video called GPT-2X. And you'll be able to see here we have our init plugin called because the application called it when it started up. I'll say, hey GPT, and you'll see that we have our pre-processing done when we query the model. So this intercepts the direct text that we send the application. Then there's the model query. So it'll go through this pre-processing plugin, then it'll go through the model query plugin in case you wanted to do something different from pre-processing, or if you have multiple models set up in a feed-forward fashion, you'll be able to intercept every model input and output directly. And then finally, there's this post-processing plugin call just before the text is output in the output space here. And finally, there's the close call and then the on exception. So whenever we close the application, you'll be able to see very briefly there's a close call. So in case you wanted to save the state of the application or anything additional to Atria that maybe the functionality is missing, you'll be able to integrate that yourself. So let me close it and I'll hit cancel. You'll see the closing plugin was called, and this terminal will just stay active until you close it. But that's all I have for this video, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.